Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post up videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all your comments down below. So today is Vlogmas Day 7. I've got a few advents to open today. Thank you all for your book suggestions from yesterday. It was great reading all those. Lots of great suggestions out there. A lot of you like the same genres that I like, so that was a lot of fun. And that's really all I've got. Today I'm releasing the Missouri Star Quilt Company's Countdown to Christmas, it's a mouthful, box. The first 8-day opening with Steven. I'm going to have that video here on my channel, and he's going to have it on his channel. So if you don't mind, check us both out and like both of our videos. You don't have to stay for more than a few minutes, maybe 30 seconds, to give them both a like and we'll get credit. So I'd love it if you could do that for both of us. That'd be awesome. I'm also releasing, well, I've already released the So Yeah quilts that I did with Sherry McGill, Lessons Learned, and a few other creators. So go check out that video and you'll find out all the information there. It's using their Not Your Mama's Garden fabric. So go check that out. That's today as well. And that's all I've got. So let's get these advents opened. Okay, so this is the Ginger Quilter Advent box notion for the day. It's another one of the Cindy Seam Rippers, which we got in another box earlier. So now I have two. This is the original one, the small, and I think I was telling you guys in the other video that now they have different sizes. This was the original one that was too small for me. So now I have a small, and I think the other one that I got in the other box was a medium large, and that one fits me. So there are different sizes, but here we go. We got another one. So this will definitely go in a giveaway because I already know this one won't work for me. But still, it was a good notion. So for the Cotton Cuts boxes, this is the Boutique box and the Notions box. The Notions box was a 12-day, so that's coming to an end very quickly. And then the Boutiques box was, I picked the 24, there's 24 or 31. I'm going to get the Boutique open first today. And today we have another card. It says, "A smile is a curve headed in the right direction." That's cute. Okay. So here's the Boutique for today. This one's really pretty. Oh, gorgeous. I know I say that every time, but we haven't had one that I didn't like yet. So really like this one. All right, now let me open the Boutique. It says, "Hot and toasty." Sort of a little bit squishy, but not. Oh, okay, I gotta peek when I rip the paper. I actually have one of these. But I don't use it for the intended purpose, so I'm going to tell you guys what I use it for. So this says, "Sew Why the Iron's Hot." It's a silicone iron rest. Take it out. Sorry for all the noise with the packaging. It's from It's So Emma, and I got this, I think, in a sew sampler quite a while back. I've had it for several years now. You can put your iron on here. It's a silicone iron mat, and it's heat safe, but I don't use it for that. And the reason I don't use it for that is because I always set my irons on my ironing board. But what I do use this for, this is a great thing to put your pedal on, your foot pedal from your machine. It doesn't slip if you put your pedal on here, because I don't know about you all, but I have carpet where I'm sitting and my pedal likes to slide away from me. So this mat keeps it from sliding. So that's actually what I use mine for. So I'm actually going to keep this because I'm going to throw it in my retreat bag to keep with my retreat machine. And then I can take it and have an anti-slip mat when I go on retreat. So this is great. Okay, here I have the Sunny Path Fabric Advent for day 7. Get that open. And this one is a 24-day advent, so this one will keep going along with the boutiques, but the notions from the Cotton Cuts are going to end after day 12. Okay, it's a pin holder. It's a magnetic pin holder. Very cool. I'm going to keep this in the package because I'm going to give this away because I've already got one. But they work really well. And nothing more to say about that, but that's a good notion. So those were the advents for day 7. I thought they were pretty good today. Don't forget to come back each and every day and leave your comments down below, because I'll be pulling those for the next drawing, which will be December 9th. And I'll pull 4 names again. So that was a lot of fun, and I've heard from all the winners, so congratulations to everybody who won. And I got a winner for the Roaring Fabric Studio quilt giveaway kit, so awesome on that too. The question of the day today is, if you could travel to any place in the world, where would that be? I actually have 2 places. They're tied, and I was trying to decide if I could put one over the other, but I can't. So I will tell you what those are tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody. Take care, and don't forget to watch the Missouri Star Quilt Company Countdown to Christmas opening with Stephen and I, and also my video on the So Yeah quilt. So that's all I got. Bye!